Good morning! So it's day 3 of our Jeju trip and we're now ready. Yan. Alis na kami. So, I'm gonna show you first yung veranda view from here. Wow! So, it's like this. Mabato siya. Ayan. So, yan yung morning view a while ago pagkagising ko kasi right after ko gumising, nag-prepare na kagad ako ng mga gamit namin. So, we'll see you guys again later. Okay, bye! Okay, so we're now here in the car and we're gonna grab our breakfast first. I think, what time is it? Almost 11, so it's already brunch before we go to the amusement park. Right, Haun? How are you excited? Ne? Wow, with brown. Haun was able to get full rest because yesterday she was really exhausted. Kaya nagtatantrum siya. Pero for today, I think she have enough energy because we'll be going to 6 different places for today. So we'll see you guys there again. See ya! Ne? Okay. So this is Monopang. It's seen on the television. There's cheese inside and their design is octopus. 네.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
맛있어? 맛있어요? 네? 네. 아, octopus head.
Is this cream cheese?
maybe mozzarella.
맛있어. Taste bread. It's cute. It's squid.
Oh no!
Octopus. There's squid over there. They're selling squid and octopus bread for the tourists. 맛있어.
하나 아빠 주세요. 아빠 주세요. 아빠 주세요. 아니 맛있어? 나 맛있어요?
네. From the ticket center, you will need to walk along a 1-kilometer well-pathed landscape trail with tons of photo opportunities, so don't forget to take a lot of photos. Upon entrance, you're going to see a stream which will lead us to the waterfall. So I saw a local feeding some migrating ducks and some beautiful koi fish. It really looks fun and I really wanted to try it, but unfortunately I don't have some food that I can give to these ducks and fish. So we are now going to 5.Cheonjiyeon Waterfall. So the admission fee for adults is 2,001, teenagers and children is 1,001. So it's open from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. and the last ticketing is at 9:20 in the evening. So 5.Cheonjiyeon Waterfall is located in Jeju Island, South Korea. So literally, the name 5.Cheonjiyeon means sky, which is Cheon, connected with land, which is Chi. And it is one of the main tourist attractions on Jeju-do. Just before reaching the falls on the path, one must cross a bridge from which a variety of koi fish can be seen below. We also found a queue of the stone guardians or the tol harubang near the entrance and the exit. In olden days, a person would place a small stone under a large stone and pray for health and prosperity of their family. The clear and deep water of 5.Cheonjiyeon Waterfalls is designated as Natural Monument Number 27, and it is renowned as a habitat for mute eels. The source of Cheonjiyeon Waterfall is a spring that comes out of the floor of the Somban stream. The waterfall is one of the three famous waterfalls of Jeju, the other two being Cheonjiyeon Waterfall and Jongbang Waterfall. In order to reach the waterfall, visitors must walk on a landscape trail. So this waterfall is 22 meters high, 12 meters wide, and 20 meters in depth. This is the Cheonjiyeon Waterfall. So before, it is said that there's a dragon, holy dragon living under. So people used to go here to pray for the rain, and their prayers are answered whenever the locals go here and ask for the rain. Because you know, here in Jeju, they need a lot of water because they have some plants or the oranges. If you plan to go to Jeju, don't forget to visit the Cheonjiyeon Waterfall. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again on my next vlog. Bye!